you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys haven't seen my latest video, come check it out. I installed my smooth panel on my Forester. Yep. So in today's video, we are going to replace the ugly side mirrors. So that's the ugly side mirrors with a better side mirrors. Yep. So this new mirrors that I'm gonna install, well, they're not brand new, they're used. This came off of the FaceLift Foresters. They're from 06 to 08. Cool thing about this side mirrors are they are much bigger than the older ones, and also they have the side markers. So yeah, so if you guys haven't seen my video, I am going to keep the Forester now, and I'm just going to change up a bunch of things for 2021. So 2021, I'm going for a different look, and I'm excited for it. I hope you guys are excited as well. So enough with that, let's just remove the old ones and put the new side mirrors. So first thing we're gonna do is we are going to remove the door panels and also the Twitter cover. So connectors and the two screws that's holding the side mirror, and then it should easily come off. What it looks like with the mirror on. Obviously the connectors will not work, so what we had to do is we had to cut this connector from the we had to cut the older connector or older mirror, cut it, and then splice it with the newer one. If you guys need the link for the mirror, I'll leave the link in the description below. You can just follow that. They tell you how to wire up the mirrors and also the turn signals. So the turn signal, I had to run wire from here all the way to my corner lights. So luckily I have my fender lights or fender turn signal, so I won't be needing a long ass wires. So all I have to do is route it to the side coming out to the fender, and then should be able to hook up the turn signals. Now that the passenger side is hooked up, we're gonna do the same thing on the driver's side. And with the YouTube magic, just like that. All side markers, all the mirror side markers are finally working. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope this video was very helpful. I know it wasn't, but there's a lot of people already did this side mirror, facelift side mirrors on YouTube. So just look it up. There's a lot of people that did it already. So anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below and I'll answer them. And also, if you guys are not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, so stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.